We're here to do something really important, and that's help people have something to eat.
We're going to be making 500 sack lunches.
Volunteering is just a small opportunity to give back.
What we do really does change the trajectory of someone's day, someone's week, someone's life.
Thank you so much for being here. We are going to be making some winter wellness kits.
Everyone should give volunteering a try.
I feel like it gives us a chance to come together as a team.
We're all in the same t-shirt, we all have the same goal.
Cetera is all about creating better futures for people.
Every night, Father Joe's Villages houses more than 2,000 people. That's basically all of us. Our Cetera employee base every night is housed, fed, and kept warm by doing what they do.
Give back! It's important for Cetera to give back to their local communities, but also to help set an example for others to get involved.
Do it. Go volunteer.
Go volunteer.
Get out there, get involved, going to volunteer. All right, well with that, let's go pack some lunches.